there are many baskets. But sometimes there is a bird here, color black. I don't know what is the name of that bird. These birds go to inside this basket and then fall out all the garbage. They are, you see guys, you see, very nice. You see, these birds searching for foods, no? So all the garbage in the basket, all are out, and people think that other people not doing well, no? They don't put their garbage